So I've had this one for a few weeks now. I just put it to the side and completely forgot that I had it. But now we're going to be opening it up. This is the Bugatti Chiron, I believe it's pronounced. You can pick these up at Sam's Club or Costco, I've heard now, for about 15 bucks. Not bad. I mean, it's not the most detailed model or perfect model, but yeah, for 15 bucks, it's really hard to complain. Unless you just want to be really nitpicky like I can be. This car definitely looks a lot better than the Veyron. To me, the Veyron is one of the ugliest cars on the road. That's just my opinion, though. I know a lot of people love the design. One of my close friends from college is obsessed with it. It's just not for me. But I do like how this one came out. So good job, Bugatti, for making a car that looks really good. Come on. Holy cow, seriously? Do y'all see that? Now that's impressive for a $15 model. The rotors turn. The calipers are stationary. So he's imitating carbon fiber on the chassis. Let's see what the boot's got inside. Not much, not really any depth to it. It's got a bit of a sinister look to it. This is probably one of the best $15 models I've ever held. Look at that. The wing even comes up on it, just like the Giada one did for the Lamborghini and the other Maisto 118th. So does this open? Nope. Unfortunately, the engine bay is sealed off, and there's why. It has some other details in it, like the turning rotors with the caliper stationary. They put some of the money you're spending on this toward other places other than the engine. That's a bummer. I wonder if I took it apart, if they'd be able to see the engine. Where's the screw holes? There's 3. I might actually take it apart. Take a look at the interior. Oh, that's actually really cool. I wonder how comfortable those seats are in real life. If you've got a chance to sit in one, comment below. Let me know how comfortable this thing looks or is in the inside. Look at that, it's even got the name stamped inside. Very cool. The seatbelts look terrible. Cheap plastic mold. What do you expect for a $15 car? And the front windshield, it's got a bit of a gap in it. This thing is fingerprint prone. Get a bit of orange peel going in the paint, but a 15R model. They're designed to look at far away. So if you're looking at far away, like, oh, well, that's a good looking model. Then you get up close and like, it's okay. Alright, let's see if I got the right screwdriver. If not, I might have to do another video. Nope. This is the right one. Let's take it apart. Let's see that engine. Okay, unlock there. It's been a while since I've taken away or tried apart one of these. You know, I just noticed something that it doesn't have a Maisto stamp on the bottom. It has a Brago. I believe they bought Maisto, or they teamed up with them, partnered up with them. That's a good way to look at the interior up close. What? There's nothing in the front? Oh, look at that. It's got a good amount of detail. Why does that trunk not open? Got it. And it comes down here. It has like radiator. Does this really not open? It does. Look, it's got hinges. What am I missing here? So I can see there's tabs right here on both sides. And that block it from being able to be opened up. Do y'all see that? That's crazy. Why go through the trouble of putting a hinge in here, detailing the motor this nice, and blocking it off from view? I'm guessing with it being a Braga model that there's a premium version of this that's probably be coming out if it hasn't already. I'm guessing it's going to be a $40 model that's going to have this opening. Because it should open, but it doesn't. So I might be doing another video where I get a power tool or something in there and I'll cut these tabs off and see if we can get this trunk to open. And the hood. Weird. But there you have it. So if you picked up one of these for 15 bucks, now you know why the hood in the rear does not open. While we're at it, let's take a look at the dash in more detail and the light. Stickers. Looks pretty cool. Not bad. Not bad at all for 15 bucks. But very disappointing that the rear hood does not open. But hey, you guys know, so if you pick one up, get a power tool, cut it off. Or I might do that, show you guys off, or show you what it looks like on the inside. Or if you do it before me, post a video and I'll share it. Let me know. And have fun with it.